Before you start laminating, you may want to look over the operation and maintenance manual located in the bottom of the machine. We have a USI Incorporated brand laminator ARL series. Step 1. To begin, plug the laminator into a wall outlet that has 3 prongs. Once you've done that, come to the front of the machine and turn the heat button on. Now you will wait approximately 15 minutes until the thermometer on the side stands between 260 and 290 degrees before you can start the next step. You are now ready to use the laminator. There are 3 controls on the machine. The on and off switch, which is labeled with heat, the speed knob, and the run and reverse switch. You will be able to adjust this more later, but for now you will want to have the speed knob turned all the way to the lowest setting. Now you should turn the run and reverse switch to run. If the machine is working properly, laminating film will start to be exiting the back. However, sometimes you may need to give it a little extra pull at the beginning for it to continue. Because the laminator is on the slowest speed, it is going very slow. As you increase the speed, the laminator starts to run more. Now switch it to its standing position. Step 4. Now you are ready to test out the laminator. Don't begin your project just yet, because if you're not familiar with the way the laminator works, you may mess up your project. So you will begin by placing the piece of paper in which you want laminated directly on the plate. Then you will hit run. As that begins, you will slowly feed this into the laminator until it takes over on its own. Step 5. Once your project has exited the laminator fully, you will be able to then put the run and reverse switch back in its standing position. So once your project has exited the machine completely, you can put it to standing position and then use scissors to cut this, or there are little sharp teeth on the back of the laminator in which you can use to rip your project off. Step 6. When you are finished with your project, make sure the run and reverse switch is in its standing position and that you turn the laminator off. After that, you can go and unplug the laminator and then wait for it to cool off until you put it back in its storage position.